Mikela's gonna drink it.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
She never went in the water.
No? Well, turn it back on, I turned it off. Whole egg and egg yolk, distilled vinegar, salt, sugar, lemon juice.
Oh, it's goat.
I wasn't recording. Are you going?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, go.
Are you going through now?
I'm gonna try.
Go. I want to see you.
I'm gonna try.
Just trying. Just trying. Go.
You better come and see the fish bones. What? You better come and see the fish
Can we
bones.
quit talking about fish bones please, when I'm trying to eat?
I've never worn a life jacket.
Okay, go.
Of course.
You got your life jacket. Life
She's
jacket.
never worn one.
Oh. Does she know how to swim?
I don't know. Do you know how to swim, Mikela?
Not really.
But you got your life jacket.
Go, Mikela.
I'm just stuck.
It's okay. You just use your legs to kind of kick yourself around.
All right. Good job.
Good job. Now you know how to swim.
Yeah, I'm not going anywhere.
Go.
Yeah, if you, just sit on the life jacket so you don't have to walk on the rock.
What do you not have any?
Is your mom? Oh, she's already to come.
You don't have to climb up here. We're coming to you.
Hello. Yeah. Yeah.
It hurts to walk on these rocks. Even this.
Okay.
I did it.
You made it.
I did
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't know that they would. You hit a rock?
I hit a whole chunk of a tree.
I told you to be careful of the trees.
Yeah.
I'm the Lorax. I speak to the trees.
How come you don't want your shoes? Come on, I want to see if I can hit you.
Throw it, puppy.
If she had their shoes on, her feet would be floating.
They're soft. They'll bounce right off your head.
Look at that, Eden. Bye-bye, Eden.
She not scared of nothing.
I know.
He
Not
looks like a
complaining
fish.
about anything.
Yeah, just a little fish. Bye.
Like, I don't care. Yeah, Emery, why don't you go help Mikela?
You bring all that?
That's why you weren't saying anything.
What, she had shells in her mouth?
Sneaking shells back.
Oh my.
What you got? Wow. Good collection. That one
Had
might.
shells in
That
her
one
hand.
might be alive. Kick. Still got both.
Oh yeah.
Go like this. Yeah.
It's gonna take me very
Yeah, it's
slowly.
closed.
That's fine. That's fine. There's no hurry.
Gia.